Hey guys, I have an unboxing for you guys, and this is on the daily goodie box. This is a free subscription service where they send you products for review purposes, and it's completely free. Anybody can sign up for it. They do send me this box because I am a YouTuber, so it's more like for influencers, but likewise they do send different products to different people. You just have to sign up to their website and then click on certain things like that you want to review. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this box. And they're usually like free samples of stuff, and let's see what's in here. So first thing in here is the Bright Day Freedom from Hangovers. This is a packet of kind of like daily supplements. So you have like all these supplements to kind of like help you, especially after a hangover. I never have hangovers, so I really wouldn't know. Maybe it'll help me like after not sleeping a whole night because of my son, but we'll see. Next thing in here is the All Natural Short-Term Sleep Aid. This is a wake up refreshed, non-habit forming, drug free. So this seems super awesome. I use melatonin to go to sleep, and let me see what this is. Oh, this has chamomile, and chamomile is known for like its natural properties to like help you relax and soothe. So this is something that I will definitely be trying because I use melatonin a lot because of the fact that sometimes I wake up to breastfeed my son or like to rock him to sleep again, and sometimes it's so hard for me to fall back asleep that I'll eat like a gummy of melatonin to kind of like relax me and get me back into the sleep. Next thing in here is the Rolo Protein Wonder Bar, and this is peanut butter road tripper. I'm all about peanut butter. If anyone knows me, oh my god, peanut butter is life. Chocolate and peanut butter, and put those together. So definitely will be trying this because I love protein bars. Next thing in here is Tea Pigs, and this is naturally canned, caffeine-free, 2 biodegradable tea temples, and this is with rhubarb and ginger. I am not a fan of tea or ginger, so I will definitely be giving this to my mom because she loves tea. So that's all I'm gonna say about that. Next thing in here is, okay, this is Witch Hazel conditioner and shampoo. It's supposed to clarify, so it's supposed to like remove environmental buildup and replenish and moisturize. So these are little like travel ones. I might put these in my travel bag because I will be traveling soon and these might come in handy, so we'll definitely check those out. Next thing in here is Run Gum, and these are energy gum. So this is supposed to have the caffeine, taurine, and B vitamins. So we'll definitely see about those. Next thing in here is Trust Fund Beauty, and this is Lavernus. I have no idea what this is, so let's see. And it says high maintenance on top of it. Oh, okay, it's in nail polish, and the shade is high maintenance. So I don't think I'm really high maintenance. My husband might say otherwise, but we'll definitely try this color. It's a very beautiful, like springy, summer, beautiful purple. Next thing in here is the Mike Tyson. Oh, I didn't even know he had a drink. It's the Iron Energy, and it's in the flavor mojito. So we'll definitely see if I like this. Last time they sent one of these and it was a tea, and it was just horrible. So I will definitely try this. I always at least give a sip and see if it's worth it. Last time it was a tea and I just did not care for it. It did have ginger in it, and I'm just like not a fan of ginger. So this one is mojito. We'll definitely chill this out and see if I like it, because I do love Red Bull. I'm like, thankfully I don't buy it anymore because it is addicting. And then let me see what's in here. And then the last thing in here is the, what is this? Apples and blueberries. And it's called the That's It fruit bar. So it says all we use is fruit, no added sugar, no nuts, and no preservative. It's only 100 calories, 4 grams of fiber, no fat, no GMO, gluten-free, all natural, kosher, vegan, raw. So wow. So this one has just like apples and blueberries, I guess. We'll see what else is in here, but wow, it seems like that's what it is, and it has 2 to 4 fruit servings a day. It's supposed to energize we'll definitely give these a go and see if I like these as well. So that was it, everything in the daily goodie box. I will leave their link below if you guys want to try to like sign up and use them and see if you can get any free samples from them. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. Love you guys, and until next time, bye guys.